and muscle boss maniac. The pistons pound, the lights are bright, a real mean machine. Road Rippers.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Xbell123, the Road Rippers Expert 2.0 here, back at it again with another custom. This time, it's a custom that I made to simply be like the Speedway Driver series. Yep, that's right, you guys heard me, Speedway Drivers. Now you may be wondering, what's a Speedway Driver? Well, if you have the capability to put 2 and 2 together, so you know that one funny car that Road Rippers made? Yeah. That's a Speedway driver. You're welcome. But anyways, so I pretty much made a custom Speedway driver due to the fact that those seem to be literally impossible to find. Not that much to say about this. It was hand painted, obviously. And you guys are gonna see what board it has, but yeah. You guys are gonna finally know why I bought a specific vehicle. So on to what this custom has in store. First, here's a picture of it from when I first got it. I went to TJ Maxx and I found this cheap truck that's usually sold in the Bright Kingdom brand boxes and stuff like that. Pretty much the Dollar General boxes. Yeah, those. So yeah, this one had the dragster on it. There's also one with a boat and I think a helicopter, and then there's another one with a stock car, which I need badly so I can make a miniature victory lap. That would be adorable, am I right? But yeah, mark my words, mark my damn words. But anyways, yeah, on to this. Now, I got this mainly due to the fact that I've been looking for all these dragsters for a while to simply do this custom. Finally found the dragster. Finally did the custom. And before you guys say anything, yes, I already know that Fastlane has a larger version that's motorized. Granted, yes, I could have gotten that to make it more easier, but, you know, I decided to do this. Well, you know, mainly due to the fact that it's the only one I can find physically at a store. But, who knows? Maybe I will get the larger one. Maybe I will make a larger version of this dragster, but with more features. Now, what did it take to do this custom? Well, I obviously had to get some from eBay and stuff to, you know, get the board. And don't worry, the vehicle I got the board out of is fine. It's still fine. Don't worry about it. It's still fine. So, originally, it was gonna have 2 boards. One for easy surface. But, yeah. I just decided to let it have 2 sounds instead of 3 buttons. But yeah, it's a very nicely made custom and stuff. Feels factory and looks factory, honestly. That's how good it is. Other than that, there's not much for me to say about this custom. I do have footage from when I was working on it, so I'm gonna throw that up. Not literally throw it up, because that would be concerning. Like, imagine throwing up a video like... Anyways, yeah, as you guys can imagine, on the inside, it's very compact. There's a lot of wiring in this thing. It may seem simple and there's not that much going on with it, but there's a lot going on the inside of the vehicle. And, yeah, I had to, like, make my own chassis and stuff, and I had to, like, put together a spare gearbox. Pretty much all of it is made out of spare parts, the chassis is, but, you know, it's solid and stuff. I make sure of it when I make customs that they're solid, so they can stand the test of time. Never half-ass a custom at all. If you're gonna customize something, never half do it. Always complete it fully and stuff. If you see something that may seem like it's gonna fall off over time, secure the heck out of it. Don't be shy to hot glue. Do not. Hot glue is your friend when making customs and, well, in general when fixing things. But anyways, I really think you guys are gonna enjoy this custom. I really think you guys are. And it's about the same size as a Revan Race as well, which is very nice. Same size as the Super Cruiser as well. and stuff, so it's accurate to the actual size of the actual item that it's based on. That thing is as big as a rock and roller. Has the same gearbox as a rock and roller as well. And so does this. What do you know? So on with the videos. Enjoy. And tell me if you guys really want that small victory lap. I'll make it possible. And then I put a big speaker in it. So here's that.
Can you move it like this?
I can shake it like